This is a personal note on how to use Postman. First, when signing up, I am getting username, password, and email from Rec.Body from the front end, probably by the form. Once I get these Rec.Body information, I am able to create user with the username, password, and email. And once I create my user, also create the order, the checkout cart, and I will be sending token. Okay, let's go to Postman now. Let's say I'm signing up with my username Rigo, password 123456, and email. And then that's my racked up body, and when I send it, it already exists, right? I would normally get a new token, so let's try not Rigo this time. And Daddy. Okay, and then I send it. This is my new user, and that's my token. And going back to VS Code. Okay, so now I'm signed up. If I want to log in, I give the same information via rec.body, but my rec.body that is required for that user.authenticate method is authenticate, where is it? Authenticate, here we go. So it's this method, which means I need username and password. So if I go to Postman on the login, I technically don't need email. Let's try it without the email because all I need is username and password, and send it. Yep, I'm still getting that token. So I don't need my email here for the auth/login post method. So again, I am sending token to my front end so that I could use that to ultimately get me my information. So if I do get route/auth/me, I am gonna get my information, but to get that I have to find my sell by token, which comes from rec.headers authorization, and this works because I am already logged in. Get route, so auth me, and then on the headers I have to feed in the key authorization, which is my token. When I do that, it will get me that information, ID 12, Rigo, and my hashed password, my email, and my status of admin false. Yep, so that's it.